I make it look easy, and that's the difference. I'm showing up, you're on the fence. I try again, it's all pretense. I burn all over you. You burn out so quick, but you take your time with everything else, and I'm sick of it. I dive right in you. You hide, then I crawl through. I bend and I break too. I wish it was the other way around. I wish it was the other way around. Yeah, you've got options. Oh, I've got them too. But I'm not the one standing around not knowing what to do. Baby, say a whole lot of nothing, but you call for me when you're still talking. All I know is that you're not walking, and I'm not walking. I dive right in you. You hide, then I crawl through. I bend and I break too. I wish it was the other way around. 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 If I climb high enough, I can see where I was standing not long ago, looking down at all of the people. I used to feel so small. Where does it all go? When you throw it away, and one ear out the other, I got nothing to say. Where does it all go? When you throw it away, and one ear out the other, I got nothing to say. If you ask me what's been happening, I say nothing. You say once I touch the ground, I hit it running. Well, tell me, how am I supposed to start when I keep stopping? Tell me, how do I make something out of nothing? What was mine is in the middle of being a memory left behind. Yeah, every time cuts me, I'm still surely bleeding out the moments I didn't breathe in. If you ask me what's been happening, I say nothing. You say once I touch the ground, I hit it running. Well, tell me, how am I supposed to start when I keep stopping? Tell me, how do I make something out of nothing? Where does it all go? When you throw it away, and one ear out the other, I got nothing to say. Sorry, I've been asleep. Could barely hear your words when you're talking to me. Was in a funk, honestly. I was running off fumes, feeling empty. I haven't been like myself in a minute. Bound to have broken